Hello, this is what they call parking brake sensor for BMW. This part goes somewhere over there and then connects to the car. Now, every time when you replace that brake pad, and this sensor has to be replaced. Next, you have to reset the computer on the car, otherwise the reminder will show. To do that, all you need is to press the start button and wait for this message to disappear, and then press and hold this button. If it didn't come up in the first attempt, that's fine. Release and press again. See, this turned to zeros and it should come up shortly. Now you should be good to scroll between the options. Now this is for oil change and this is for the brake pads. One thing I learned, and that's I feel important for this video, is I tried to reset this many times and I failed. And it turned out the failure was because my emergency brake or the e-brake was engaged. Make sure you have that brake released and then you're trying to do this. Otherwise you keep getting a message to say reset unsuccessful. I'm getting my parts from FCP Euro. This is not advertisement for them, and I would like to thank them for working with me until I figure this out. During that entire time, they sent me 3 more replacement, 2 aftermarket, 1 OEM from BMW. Still didn't help, and then after a while I found an article that was talking about releasing the e-brake. That was helpful and I reset it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Safe drive.